Okay, so I'm going to do this unboxing vlog style. I have left the lights off just to see if I could have the colors not be bleached out. I do have all the shades open, but it's cloudy out. But it does look through my viewfinder like this is going to be okay. This is my, what month? February box, I believe. Could it be? No. It must be. Yeah, February. This is February. How about that? Anyway, the reason I don't have a list that has all the prices and everything is because I had said, okay, I'm back, and they were not able to send me a box until now. So I did pull a couple things out. I did look at a couple things, and my battery's flashing, so I'm going to change my battery, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and this just says Feel the Love. Normally with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get a card that gives all the prices. I will list all the prices down below here in this video for all this stuff. This was just a freebie extra that I had put in for its Murad Essential C. I had no idea it was going to be this small. Seriously, come on. Is this what they gave everybody in the Ipsy bags? I would like a full-size one of these, but unfortunately I was not able to choose an item for this box, even though I was there in plenty of time. So anyway, this is laughably light. It's vegan and cruelty-free. It's pomegranate super generating sleeping mask. So I always like to get a sleeping mask. I don't have very many of those, but come on guys, this is the smallest damn tube I've ever seen. No wonder the price is so reasonable. Let's see, how many ounces are you? It's 1.01 ounces. Okay, well, I guess I'll be using this up pretty fast. This should really just go in my little treasures collection of stuff, because I don't know if you guys know, but I'm doing a little treasures project pan, and this is like incredibly small. This was a disappointment to me. This here isn't a or what is that? Odorase serum. Moisturizing, enhancing. I don't know how it can be enhancing also. It is sealed shut. And it does have an expiration next year in 2021. A serum hydrant. I will give it a try. Okay, sorry about that. My replacement battery died. This one only got to charge for a couple minutes, so I don't know if I have much time. But anyway, I think I was talking about this, and I'll give it a try. It's completely enrobed in plastic, however. I'm going to do a little research first and see what this stuff is all about before I unwrap it. And, because I put stuff in trade when I think it's too small or I don't think I'll ever use it. Okay, and this is a Mael tinted lip. It's basically like a lip balm. So let me take this out. Anyway, here it is. It is stated to be in the color Nectar. So I did take the lid off because even though the container is orange, I think this is going to have a slightly redder tint. This is definitely something that I know I would enjoy. And my battery light's flashing. Please don't give out on me yet. Okay, and here's the bag. Not much in the way of frills. February bag. For the little Ipsy bag, got like a fabric quilted bag. This is just a plain pink fake leather bag. And then there are two more things. There is Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, and this is where the natural light mattered to me. You can actually see the colors in here. There's nothing very exciting in here. In fact, I might just trade this away. This messy bun is a very, very dark, intensely dark blackish brown. Brownish black, I should say. I don't know. They're all mattes. I don't know if this really adds to the collection or not. Like, is this a waste for me? So anyway, I don't know. I have to think about it. I don't want to swatch it until I know. Finally, there was this neat package. I need to see if I can open it without tearing. I did open it once, so it should pop right open. And this is a brush set, and it is by LaRousse. And these are supposed to be like worth like $1 bazillion. I don't know how they can be, but they're each individually wrapped. Until I decide whether I'm going to keep these or not, I'm going to keep them wrapped and in this envelope. I'm not sure. Somebody's walking by, or a squirrel jumped off a tree or something. So I'm not really sure about whether I'm going to keep those or not. So anyway, I don't know how I feel about this. Let me see if I can just get this to stay upright. I wonder sometimes, I'm going to say this quietly because it's like the secret to the universe here. I don't know if I need these boxes. I probably don't. A bunch of you are probably going, no, you don't need them, get rid of them. Because I have so much makeup. But I don't know how much of it is too old to keep using. So that's one of the reasons that I keep getting a box. I considered BoxyCharm. There was some controversy that ended up being false. Please watch Jen Love's reviews. I think the title says something about BoxyCharm. She does kind of bounce some of those theories out that there's some weird stuff going on with BoxyCharm. I would think about that one, but that box is very heavily makeup, and this one's kind of a mix of skincare and makeup. I am happy about this box, but I just don't know that I needed all this stuff. Let me know if you get this box, if you got anything different. Also, let me know what you think. Like, does someone who has an aging makeup collection need to be in one of these? I don't know. I don't really know if I need more skincare either, but I have found quite a few outdated skincare items that I had to toss. If you're interested in Ipsy, please do use my referral link. I think we'll each get some extra points if you do. And anyway, thank you for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I don't know what to think. I don't know what to do. So anyway, thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.